Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use PowerShare on your Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to do this, first of all, swipe down to open Control Center and then scroll left to right to left, and here you will see a wireless power sharing option. So click on this option to turn on power sharing, or if you don't see this icon here, then click on this add icon, and from here you can add any icon from here to here. Just simply press and hold on the icon and drag it to your control center, and after that click on done. And there is another way to turn on power sharing. So the other way is open settings, scroll down, and here click on battery and device care, and after that click on battery, and then scroll down, and here click on wireless power sharing. So from here you can turn on wireless power sharing. So you can do it only if your battery is charged up to 30%. So to use this feature, first of all charge your mobile up to 30%, and after charging you can use this feature. So now you can see my battery is below 30%, so I cannot use this feature. So to use this feature, charge your battery to 30%. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.